welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Hope you like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and follow me on the Instagram. If you're living in Jamaica, you know that this plant is right in our backyard, right? And it is aloe vera. I love aloe vera. I've been incorporating it into my routine a lot, especially this year. And if you are on Instagram, you see that I post videos about my hair, and I've been getting comments that my hair is getting thicker. What is my secret? And I've been using a lot of aloe vera, and it helps with detangling, it helps with moisture, it helps with sealing the cuticle because it has a acidic pH that is close to our hair, right? So that's why I love it, especially for detangling, because anybody knows, like if you've been an OG on this channel, you know that it takes me roughly 5 to 6 hours to detangle my hair, which is very annoying, right? But I find that the DIY aloe vera juice, well, gel, it doesn't really cut my detangling time in half per se, but it makes the process a lot more smoother, which I am grateful for. For the star of the show, aloe vera gel. So what I'm doing, I'm just cutting the plant into workable sections, and then when I'm finished with that, I am going to cut the sides of the spiky parts, and then I'm going to cut the top layer of the aloe vera leaf so that it can expose the gel, and that's what we want the gel. And then I'm going to use a spoon to scrape out the liquid because that's what I want. And I find that when I use a spoon, it's a lot easier because the gel is so slippery. I don't want the knife to cut me, so I use a spoon, and then I just blend it just like that. I don't add any water, and then I strain it. So let's go to the benefits of aloe vera. Aloe vera have unique enzymes that is very good for the skin, the scalp, the hair. It helps to reduce breakage because it has a lot of slip. It helps with detangling. It is very moisturizing. It's good for dandruff, and it's also good with promoting hair growth because it conditions the scalp, so it helps to reduce shedding and overall increase the thickness of your hair. That's why I love it so much. That the lighting is fluctuating is because I'm using the natural sunlight, so it's fluctuating a bit, and the background is different is because I'm in my parents' room. Yeah, so just to clear that up. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to take my hair down from this huge puff, like so. So I haven't washed my hair in 2 weeks, so my hair is pretty matted, but I'm going to show you the power of this detangler. See, my hair is already in knots already. I'm going to switch this video into a voiceover because there's a lot of noise in the background. So I'm just tugging on my hair, removing any light loosely shredded hair before I go in with a thorough finger detangling session. And I'm just showing you how matted my hair is. And I usually finger detangle my hair like every week, but this time around, like, I wasn't feeling it. But yeah, it's still workable here. So right here, I'm just breaking my hair into smaller sections because If you are a natural that desire to have a long thick hair, I recommend that you work in sections because it makes the job a lot easier and quicker, and you are more prone to less breakage because you can isolate like your weaker areas. So to start this detangling, finger detangling session, I spray my hair with some warm water because I find that when you work with like damp hair, it makes the process a lot easier, especially when you're using the aloe vera gel. It's like it activates the slip power to like 100. Like, I don't know if there's a sense, but I find that it makes it a lot more slippery. So I'm applying the aloe vera gel to my ends because the ends is the oldest part of your hair and it needs the most love, and whatever is left on my fingers, I apply it to the rest of my hair. So finger detangling, I'm not really sure how to explain it. I feel like it's one of those things that you can best look at the video and figure it out, but I'm going to try my best. So what I do is that I use my thumb to break apart each like subsections within that section, and then I gently pull at the ends to make it a lot more less matted, and I'm showing you how it looks like before and after.
A quick comparison shot before and after. I hope you can see the difference because I can.
And then I make my fingers like mimic a comb, so I separate in many different subsections across, horizontal, vertical, and then I tug at the ends, and this helps to remove shed hair. I don't know how in per se, but it's like you're making your fingers act like a comb. So I am separating and tugging, separating and tugging, and yeah, that's basically it. So you try to do this as many times as possible until like you don't feel that much resistance. And a key important tip is that you ensure that you go all the way up to your roots, because it does not make any sense that the length of your hair is detangled but your roots is matted. Like, that's going to pose a problem, and that is going to cause breakage at the root, and we don't want that. We don't want that at all. Yeah, and when I'm finished detangling that section, I just twist it up so that it stays detangled, because one thing with kinky textured hair, if you leave it loose after you detangle, it's going to get matted all over again, and we don't want that. The reason why I highly promote finger detangling is because, like, if you use like a comb or a brush, when you're combing through your hair, like, you're not going to really feel that much resistance per se, and you're more prone. It's like a reaction to just rip through the tangle, versus if your finger detangle, then you can be a lot more gentle, so you can feel the knot and be more, you feel more prone to want to work that knot out. And yeah, that's as much as I can say for finger detangling. Just continue watching and see what I am doing. If this video is helpful, please share. Remember, we have a goal of 5,000 before the year ends, and I know we can do it. Like, I know, I believe in you. And follow me on the Instagram, right? Support your girl. Engage with me because I love to talk. Trust me, I will comment back, especially on Instagram. I answer every single DMs. I hope you have a wonderful and blessed day, and don't forget that God loves you. Bye.